affordable classics. You're looking at a 63 Chevy Nova SS. Beautiful chrome bumpers, grille, headlight bezels. A real SS. Beautiful wheels. Disc brakes in the front. All the moldings, stainless, very nice. Rear, here again, dual exhaust. Nice bumpers. All the right emblems. The antenna. All the glass. Very nice. The interior. Door panels, impeccable. Dash, very nice. Rear seats. You know, this is the way to buy cars. Just something you can enjoy. Has a little thing here I'm trying to take out. This is the best part, engine compartment. You got a 350 V8 that makes this baby burn tires. Data plate, everything will show that it is the real SS. Here again, door panels. The only option, somebody put a temperature gauge. Other than that, very nice. Lokar automatic. You can tell the trunk was done. No, very solid. Yeah, I can show you. Take it off. Very nicely done. Forgot to hook up the antenna, but it's all good. Again, you know, this is what I call a turnkey car. And